guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be discussing about the types of bacteria on the basis of size and shape. As in case of the average shell range in bacteria, it is from 1 mu to 10 mu in length and 0.7 to 1.5 mu in width. And there is a polymorphic bacteria grouping. The bacteria generally consist of a fixed type of shape and size on it, but some bacteria are able to change the shape and size on the basis of the environment on which they live. That kind of bacteria are called as the polymorphic bacteria, for example the corynebacterium. And let's discuss about the bacteria on the basis of their on the shape of the cell. They are found in the following forms. The first one is spherical bacteria, that is the one which is spherical in shape, which are called as Cocci. Cocci is the plural form, and the single spherical bacteria is called as Coccus, and they are non-motile. The major point to be noted here is the spherical bacteria are non-motile, that is they lack the flagella, and they may occur singly like this, that's called Coccus, and they may be in group, that may be a small group of two, that is called as the Diplococci, or it may be in four, like called as Tetracoccus, or it may be in chains like Streptococcus, or it may be in the cubical pockets structure, that is like Sarcina, and like grape-like clusters. You can see the grape-like clusters are like that is the Staphylococci. And talking about the example of monococcus, it is the Micrococcus flavus. Diplococcus is for the Diplococcus pneumoniae. It is easy to remember. Likewise, Tetracoccus is for the Micrococcus luteus. Streptococcus is found in the genes like Streptococcus lacti. And the next one is the Staphylococcus, which occur in the grape-like structures or clusters, that is the Staphylococcus aureus. And Sarcina is present in the box-like cubical pockets. As you can see here, like the example is Sarcina lutea or Sarcina ventriculi. And let's move on to the next type, that is the rod-shaped bacteria. Rod-shaped bacteria are short, straight, or slightly curved, and they are called as bacilli. And in singular, it is termed as bacillus. This is the bacillus one, and some of them bear flagella, so it may be motile also. And others are found in single or in association, like that of the Coccus bacteria. It is a monococcus, for example, the famous example of E. coli, or the Diplococcus bacteria like Moraxella bovis. Streptococcus is the one which occurs in chains, and it is or in the filament-like structure, that is the Bacillus subtilis. And palisade type, like the pulse of the coin, or we can say in the stacks-like form, that is Corynebacterium diphtheriae. And talking about the next type is the third one, the helical bacteria. The helical forms are further divided into two types, that is the Spirilla and the Vibrios. The Spirilla are the one that are spirally twisted. Spirally twisted bacteria like a cork screw, which is called as the Spirilla, and the Spirillum is the singular term here. And they are, you can clearly see, they are larger than the Cocci and Bacilli bacteria, and they bear two or more flagella at one end or both end. And some common examples are like Spirillum undulum or Spirillum volutens. And the Vibrios are the ones that are small, and they are curved, and they are comma shaped. They are like this, they are comma shaped, curved. You can see these are the Vibrios or C-shaped bacteria. They are the C-shaped bacteria, usually motile, and they have a flagellum at one end. Like example is the Vibrio cholerae. And next one is the last fourth type of bacteria, that is the filamentous, which are thread or filament-like in structure. Their number is small as compared to other types of bacteria. The common example of filamentous bacteria is Theothrax. So in the next part, we'll be discussing the types of bacteria on the basis of presence or absence of flagella. Till then, thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can just subscribe my channel, comment the topics you want me to explain, and have a good day. Good night.